Semolina Doughnut Fritters. In a round dish, mix together the flour, semolina, dried yeast, egg, salt and sugar. Add the margarine and yogurt. Rub all the ingredients together, then add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil and continue kneading. After kneading for 3 to 4 minutes, place the dough onto a work surface. Knead for a couple more minutes by using your hands to roll the mixture up and down on the work surface. Then, still using your hands, roll the dough into a rouleau shape. Cut the rouleau in half and line the pieces up next to each other, slicing across both pieces at the same time. Cut the dough into walnut-sized fritters. Shape and slightly flatten each piece by rolling in your hands. Place the fritters side by side on the work surface. Put the sunflower oil in a pan. Shape each piece of dough by pressing onto the back of a grater and then place in the pan with the oil. Heat the pan and fry for 10 minutes on high heat until golden, stirring occasionally with a slatted spoon. To make the syrup, pour the cold water into a pan and add the sugar. Then add the lemon juice. Let the syrup cook for 15 minutes on medium heat and then leave to cool. Add the doughnuts to the cooled syrup, stirring to help absorb the syrup. Remove and place in a serving dish. Drizzle over 2 tablespoons of syrup, then leave the desserts to dry for 30 to 40 minutes before serving.